Lesson 40, another oral reading. Dear Jem, when Mr. Ward and I were in Garden City, we heard Mrs. Mildred Fields give a good talk entitled, open quotation, Children and Their Problems, period, close quotation. After she finished, I asked her if we could print her talk in our magazine, Child Care, period. She offered to send me 2 copies, period. When I get them from her, should I send them to you or should I send them to Mr. Sweet at his office address? Question mark, paragraph. I told Mrs. Fields that if all goes well, we should be able to print here talk in our July issue, paragraph. Can we do this? Question mark. Sincerely yours.